Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the App Store from the dock or Launchpad. This takes you straight to the storefront. Once there, sign in with your Apple ID so purchases, updates, and preferences sync across devices. If you need to add a payment method, go to Account Settings and enter billing details. This ensures paid apps install without interruption. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security. Now you're ready to search for apps and follow along to install one. You search or browse curated tabs to find the app that fits your needs. Using keywords narrows results faster. Once you pick an app, read the description, ratings, and compatibility to avoid surprises. Permissions and Mac OS version matter. After deciding, click Get or the Price button, then authenticate with your Apple ID password, Touch ID, or Face ID to begin downloading. Once the progress indicator appears, you can monitor status in Launchpad. Installation. You finish by managing apps. Visit Updates to install updates or pause active downloads, and check Purchases to re-download apps tied to your Apple ID. If an app fails to install, try signing out and back in. This refreshes account tokens. Once done, a quick restart can clear stuck installers and network caches. If the download still stalls, check your internet, free disk space, and firewall settings so the App Store can communicate. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.